What's going on, guys? This is Matt from Tech Studio, and in here we have the new M1 Max 16-inch MacBook Pro. So let's get into opening it. There we go. Pretty heavy box. So this one with a custom 32 unified memory with 1 terabyte of solid state. And let's see if it has any pull tabs. It does. Let's get this for y'all. Cool. And previously, before using this one, I was using the 2017 MacBook Pro, which has been giving me difficulties with editing. Whether that was editing photos, editing videos, you know, just anything After Effects was giving me issues. This thing definitely is bigger than my last one, as well heavier. That right there. And then we got another pamphlet. I think this is the 120 watts, 120. Which one is this? Oh, 140 watt Apple adapter, the MagSafe charger, and USB input on the end, and then pretty much just instruction guides and the start. So we can go ahead and put that to the side. Finish opening the MacBook. One thing I do enjoy about this MacBook, they added the MagSafe back. I know everybody's been saying that, but I am really excited about the MagSafe. I started off with MagSafes in MacBook with the first 2007 MacBook I was using, and that they decided to keep some USB Type-Cs on both sides. It has HDMI and SD card slot, which comes in handy, so won't have to be using as many adapters. I did get the Space Gray. It's heavier, but it's not too unbearably heavy. And we get to turn it on for the first time. So I do have, this is the first one I've used with Touch ID and the keyboard. I do like the old keyboard design that they reverted back to. It seems like they're going back in time, but just with better specs. So let's go ahead, let me finish setting this up, and then we'll talk more about this MacBook.